Oh. She wants to pose. Daddy, si Karel. Daddy, si Karel. Candice, not too near, anak. Not too near. Don't touch. Nakamusal ka ng milk. Ate, ikaw. Punta ka sa daddy mo. Oh, si ate naman. Si ate. Daddy, si ate solo. Daddy, si ate solo. Si daddy mo. Picture mo si daddy mo. Picture mo si daddy mo.
Vamos pesquisar. Eu acho que é macho, porque o macho não tá brigado.
Ako, dito na lang. Takot eh. Ako, dito na lang. Ate, isang solo dyan.
He's very low.
Yeah. Hello.
Ah, meron palang ganon. Candice, did you see? He's pooping. He's pooping. You see him?
아니, 희망이니까 한번
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Ah, you wanna pee? Okay. We will buy first. We'll buy the biscuit. There's more there.
Daddy.
Oh, there's
What's this?
Dove.
Bird.
Ah, pigeon pala. Pigeon.
It goes to the bear. Look, look like
It's a pigeon.
my biscuit.
Yeah, but that side. We'll go that side, not here. There's so many deer on that side.
We'll cross the street. Ate, napicture mo ba yan? Anong tawag dito?
아씨 벗어 쓰고 원래
Oh, you go near this way. We walk this way. Ano? Let's walk on. You can see more. Okay. This side. Daddy, this side. Gusto pa nilang makita.
Yung mismo deer park, yung siguro, nahitilikin na lang.
Parang siguro ma-disperse din yung tao.
Tapos huwag kang magka-concentrate lang.
Ayun yung ano, human na ano ba yun? Ano siya? Karitela.
Yeah, some of it looks like that.
Nawala ko yung gloves. Ang lamig na ng kamay ko.
When I know that's the one that we told you.
Ano yung queue na yan? They're lining up to buy the biscuits.